Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. It's a very beautiful sunny day outside here, and on this day I decided to make these yummy frozen strawberry dessert. I like to call these as strawberry delights because they taste super yummy. Now let's get started with the process of making this recipe. The first step, I'm melting these white chocolate chips in the microwave oven for 1 minute with a 30-second interval of stirring it, and then I'm combining in some milk to it, and again in the microwave oven I heat it up for 30 more seconds, and after that I'm combining it well so it becomes a nice thin liquidy mixture. Now next step, I'm adding in the remaining milk into the frozen strawberries and I'm blending them with the help of a hand blender. As you can see, the milk and strawberry concoction is now ready. Now the third step, I'm mixing in the strawberry concoction with the white chocolate and the milk mixture. Combine it thoroughly. As you can see, it looks very creamy already, and now to this I'm adding 4 teaspoons of mixed nuts powder. These nuts I have dry roasted and blended well as powder like this. These nuts include almonds, pistachios, walnuts and cashew nuts. I've also sliced them finely and added it here. Next I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of organic almond flour. This is the store-bought almond flour. And now combine in all the ingredients thoroughly. Finally, I'm adding in this yummy strawberry concoction into these colorful silicone molds, and after I've done filling these, I'm going to pop this into the freezer for 2 hours. You can use any molds of your choice. And then finally garnish it with some more mixed nuts for the extra crunch. Now time to freeze these yummy strawberry delights for 2 hours, and after 2 hours of freezing, yummy tasty strawberry delights ready to eat. Do try this yummy strawberry delights along with white chocolate chips and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.